Welcome to Italvalv, Italian excellence in the production of industrial valves. We have been offering products for various industrial applications since 1974, guaranteeing reliability and efficiency. We create bespoke solutions to suit specific requirements. We take care of everything, from the initial technical support to design, from creation to the final testing. The construction of the products is guaranteed by rigorous qualitative procedures. Our staff is specialized in engineering and research, and we are equipped with cutting-edge machining, assembly and testing systems, certified in compliance with the international standards for the industry. We can perform all the necessary hydraulic pressing, pneumatic, cryogenic and functional tests directly in our state-of-the-art production plant. Our workshop is also equipped with the latest CNC equipment. Italvalv assists the customer not only with the supply of new products, but also providing after-sales service, guaranteeing on-site assistance and spare parts for all our valves. For all these reasons, we have been the trusted partners of leading international players for the past 50 years. Italvalv, where innovation meets precision. Contact us for more information.